Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 vlogs. Welcome to Yodobashi camera Hakata. You can find all of the latest Japanese products. Yodobashi camera is a large shopping chain where you can find not only home appliances made in Japan, but also products including smartphones, figurines, digital single-lens reflex cameras, cosmetics, watches made in Japan, and designer bags. They also have a tax-free service. English-speaking staff are available to help you enjoy your shopping experience. Yodobashi Camera Multimedia Hakata is a large multi-story shopping complex near Hakata Station in Fukuoka, Japan. Open from 9:30 a.m. to 10 p.m., it's known for its extensive selection of electronics, including cameras, phones, and watches, and also features mountaineering and camping equipment. The store also sells console games and model trains. Additional stores within the building include Deso, and Lopia, a supermarket. Massage chairs are available for customers to use for free. This is an extensive walking tour experience. Watching this gives you virtual adventure, and with the best of our ability, we offer an imitation that would grant you the lens to this wonderful experience with us. Please like, share, and subscribe. Best times least crowded. Weekday mornings right after opening. Typically the quietest time to browse, compare products, and get staff help without waiting. Weekday mid-afternoons around 2 to 5 p.m. Often a second slow period after lunch, before people stop by after work. Times to avoid most crowded. Weekday evenings around 5:30 to 8 p.m. After work shoppers and commuters tend to pack in. Weekends and Japanese public holidays late morning through evening. This is peak browsing plus family shopping time. Rainy days. Indoor attractions like Yodobashi Camera Multimedia Hakata can get noticeably busier when outdoor plans get cancelled. If you want the smoothest enjoy the experience visit. Go weekday right after opening, then take breaks, coffee or food before returning for a second pass. This keeps it fun and less tiring. If you're going for tax-free shopping, earlier in the day can mean shorter lines for processing versus late afternoon, evening. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Please do watch our other Fukuoka, Japan playlist. Are there any special shopping tips, discounts, or unique features to know about before visiting Yodobashi Camera Multimedia Hakata? Yes, there are a few good-to-know shopping hacks and unique perks before you go to Yodobashi Camera Multimedia Hakata. Discounts and ways to save. Bring your passport for tax-free shopping. If you're visiting Japan as a short-term tourist, many big electronics retailers can process tax-free purchases when you show your passport. Points membership program. Yodobashi Camera Multimedia Hakata is known for a point-style rewards program common at Yodobashi. If you plan multiple purchases, ask staff at checkout how to sign up and whether points can be used immediately or on future purchases. Please do watch our other hobby and collection series. Check for in-store promos. Electronics chains often run brand promos, cameras, headphones, small appliances. If you already know what you want, it can be worth asking staff if there's a current campaign or bundle deal. unique features, and don't miss sections. Free massage chairs. A surprisingly popular perk. Visitors mention free-to-use massage chairs, great for a quick break mid-shopping. Hobby Plus Games Heaven. There's a strong selection beyond cameras. People call out console games, figures, model trains, and even big gashapon, arcade-style areas. Outdoor gear. It's not just the electronics. Reviewers mention mountaineering, camping gear as a highlight. Extra stores in the same building. Convenient if you want one-stop shopping. Visitors mention Gu, Deso, and Lopia in the complex. Have you been to Fukuoka, Japan? What was your experience? Let us know in the comments section below. Payment tips important. Carry some cash. At least one visitor notes Lopia may be cash only, while most other shops accept credit cards. If you're planning to grocery shop there, bring yen. Timing plus access. Super close to Hakata Station. It's a quick walk from Hakata Station. Reviewers describe it as approximately 2 to 5 minutes on foot, so it's easy to pop in even if you're tight on time. Open hours. Reviewers commonly cite 9:30 a.m. to 10 p.m., which is great for evening shopping after sightseeing. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe for more exciting vlogs.